Good morning, YouTube. Today I will be doing a skincare routine. So I will show you the things that I do to clean my face in the mornings or at night when I'm going to bed. This is my steamer. I also have a bowl, cute little bowl with warm water. I have my sponges. So, you know, I'm about to put my hair up. So this is the headband for your head. So your edges hair won't get chemicals on it. I purchased these from Amazon. Also, I purchased the steamer from Amazon. Just to push the hair back. No hair won't be. These are the tools that I also use to get rid of pimples and blackheads. These are the tools. The name of these are Crystal Clear Solution. Very good. I use these on clients as well. Crystal Clear Solution. The skincare product that I'll be using, which I'll put the link below, 𝙤𝙤𝙗𝙗 Gentle Cream Eye Makeup Remover. 𝙤𝙤𝙗𝙗 Softening Gel. 𝙤𝙤𝙗𝙗 Eczema Therapy. 𝙤𝙤𝙗𝙗 Equalizer. And then I also have the 𝙤𝙤𝙗𝙗 brush that I use to put the chemicals on my skin. This is the jar that came with the 𝙤𝙤𝙗𝙗 kit that I'll be mixing the chemical 1 and 2. I'll be using this small. That's all you need, nothing major. So hopefully this steamer will steam up something for me before I get started. It's not good to exfoliate your face like every day. Probably like 1 to twice a week is good to exfoliate. But you must clean your face every day. Morning and night, I suggest. Morning when you wake up and before you go to bed. And you know your skin cell recycles every 30 days. So be consistent with it. The dead skin will shed off. You have like 30 days to get new skin layer. So hopefully the steamer is good to use. They also have the portable facial steamer where it sits. It's very small. You can purchase that from Amazon, but I don't have the personal steamer, so I have the whole set. Yeah, the whole set. So steam coming out. We're gonna get started now. Steam that face. The steam is to open up the pores. Open up the tightened pores. Get all that dirt, that blackhead out. Helps open up the pores. Put that chemical on that skin. My daily skin care routine. Yes. Back this up and start. Keep some so that y'all can be able to see. Okay, we're gonna start with the removing everything off. Use this. Never forget the neck. Get some of that steam. So now we're gonna use the softening gel. Put eczema therapy, but you will put 2 scoops inside of here. And then you mix softening gel, you will mix this into the eczema therapy powder. Just give it a couple of squirts. Get the brush, mix it up. Mix that up. Mix that up. I set the steamer for 10 minutes. That's up already. It cut off, automatically cut off. So now that I mixed the eczema therapy powder with the softening gel, remember 2 scoops of eczema therapy and a couple of squirts of the softening gel, which will give you this paste. So what you would do, since I steamed my face, I'm gonna just wet it a little bit more. Don't forget the neck. And now I will start putting it on. 3 ways comfortable for you. Never forget the neck. Don't forget the neck. Yeah. That band works good. So I'm going to put the chemicals all in there. Yep. So I put this on as much as possible. I'm gonna put the steamer on, let that steam hit. So if you let that steam, like to do this. That's how you gonna like it. Skirt. I'm going to use the equalizer. 𝙁𝙗𝙗𝘼𝙗 equalizer. This is the skin hydrating facial tone. So I will close my eyes and spray. Rub it in. This hydrates the face and put back everything that the chemicals took out, except the dirt. And this is the ending result of my skincare routine. I had to go get freshened up all around. Gonna go run some morning errands. And that's it for now. Until then, subscribe, hit that bell, get notifications. One video at a time. Remember to sit pretty, stay cute, and always inspire. Until next time, later newbie dolls.